What's up, everybody? I am back to bring you another general message here. Somebody is like staying in your energy. Staying. They are like living in your energy, okay? Um, Listen, it's like before this person is done with you, okay, this person is gonna make sure you lose something. Okay, this person wants to see you as some type of loss. People. It's just crazy. It's like whoever this is, they just and they working hard. They are working so fucking hard to see you lose. Okay, rewards. They want to see you lose, and this is happening right fucking now. Okay, conflict. 5 of Wands. Okay, there's a fight breaking out. Okay, whatever's going on here in the collective, somebody is trying to cause a loss, okay, due to some type of rewards here. And I promise you, this is going on right now in the background, okay? Somebody's trying to start some type of conflict here. Either they know you got rewards coming or you already have this rewards and they're trying to do something to get you to lose them, okay? Yeah, they're trying to get you to lose these rewards, but you are the star. Okay, you're being told to have hope, right? And Ace of Cups, to remain gentle, okay, with yourself. But this is new beginnings. Okay, somebody lied about something. Somebody lied about something here, right? 10 of Cups, union. Okay, somebody did something to put themselves at the 10 of Cups within some type of union here, okay? But we got the 8 of Swords, restrictions. Somebody, whatever this illusion was that somebody caused to put themselves in this 10 of Cups, this union, they're at the 8 of Swords. They've been restricted. So whoever this person is, they feel like they have to pay you back. Since they lost, you have to lose. Okay, 10 of Wands, burdened by responsibilities. Whoever this is, whatever's happening to them in the background, this person feels, okay, this person feels like it's your fault. This burden is actually your fault. You're the reason why they're losing money here, or they lost money. Right, the magician. Someone was trying to use their power over someone here. Okay? 6 of Swords representing healing. Like, somebody needs to heal from a situation here. Okay? Somebody really needs to do some deep healing here. There's a new beginning to whatever this is here. Okay? There is a new beginning here. Queen of Pentacles unifying. The Devil, rebirth. Balancing resources. Like somebody's resources is about to be balanced out. This is what I'm talking about. This is why this person is trying to make sure you lose something, because you're about to receive something. Okay? So, Page of Wands, adventures. Like whoever you are, you're about to have a good fresh start. And somebody just feels right. 8 of Pentacles, a lot of achievements. Okay? You're someone who shows a lot of generosity here. Okay? But yeah, listen, something is about to happen for you. And someone is working so hard in the background to not see you receive your blessings here. Okay? Right, this passionate Queen of Swords here is working hard. Okay, listen. We got the Devil representing rebirth. Listen, something is about to be reborn, and someone is under judgment, because we got inner calling. Okay? And what that means is something was meant to be, and this person is under judgment because, they were stopping that from happening. We have the Lovers, love. Okay, so look. This looks like the same person in the other reading that was trying to destiny swap. It's like somebody was trying to take somebody else's life from them and live somebody else's celebration, somebody else's victory. Right, this person is disappointed because they're having a whole tower moment here. Okay, a Page Page of Swords, awareness, learning. Somebody found out what the truth was, and you know, this is a fated event. Somebody found out what's really going on here. This is justice being served, okay? The Hierophant representing spiritual wisdom. Like somebody went within. Somebody went within. Nine of Swords, anxiety. Somebody's trying to sneak and do something and get away with it. Three of Swords, heartbreak. Right, listen, three people are trying to do something to get away with it. Hold on, I'm picking up on something in the energy. Yeah, this person wants to start a fight. This person wants to start a fight with you, collective, and hopes to leave you for dead just so you won't get these rewards. Okay, these three people could be planning some type of attack against you. And the King of Pentacles, okay, somebody has wisdom. Somebody has some type of idea, right, creativity of what somebody is up to. Yep, somebody knows what someone is trying to manifest here. Okay, we got King of Pentacles, King of Cups, kindness. We got King of Swords, action-oriented, okay? And then we got the Nine of Wands, persistent. Like somebody is being very persistent in your energy. And there's people sitting back thinking to themselves, you know what? This person might do something crazy. Yes. Tendencies. Right, with this King of Swords. Okay, so this, listen. Somebody knows what this person could be up to here. Right, this betrayal. Somebody knows what somebody is actually planning for somebody else here. Oh, wow. Hang on a minute. Hey, I had to step away for a moment, but as I was walking to the living room, I got a download. You have to be careful what you eat and who you eat from. Okay? The sensitivity, right? See? I just picked up on that. You have to be careful what you eat, where, and who. You understand? Like I said, this person is trying at all costs to destroy this reward. And if you get it, you know, this person doesn't really want you to be able to enjoy it. Okay? I gave a reading earlier about someone putting poison in everything someone had in their refrigerator and their food and stuff, trying to make them sick. You got to be careful. Okay, people are evil and they're wicked. Okay, Three of Cups representing friends here. Three of Cups, I'm telling you, there could be three people planning this attack against you. I'm telling you. Due to your self-worth, like, they don't like how, wow, difficult choices. Self-worth and difficult choices. Somebody feels like because of who you are, they have to do this. What? Right, because you're a free spirit, right? Somebody feels like you need to be tamed here. We have the Emperor representing authority. Right, somebody thinks they have the right, okay, to bring some type of death, some type of ending. I'm telling you. Wow. This person is trying to cause your death here. We got Eight of Cups, letting go and achievements, okay? You're being told to walk away, but here's the thing. I don't feel like your energy is here. This is not your energy. This is the plot against you, collective, okay? Like, this person feels like the only way to let go of this positively is to leave you at the Ten of Swords. Okay, lifeless. And that will complete this chapter. But that's not God's plan here. Okay? That's not. We got temperance showing up, healing. Okay? Maybe you're going through some type of healing, or you have healed to a certain point. And someone wants to show that you're not strong enough. Like, you don't have the powers. That's exactly what I'm looking at here. Someone wants to prove you to be something other than who you are really showing up to be here. And they want you to lose. I mean, they want you to lose everything. Your life, your family, everything. Everything. Okay? This person could work at a distance from you. You understand? Quote, work at a distance. Like, this person could be right there. Okay? This person could be very close to you. Okay? But we got surrender showing up. Okay? The hangman. This person is stuck. Ace of Swords. Breakthrough. Somebody got caught up. Somebody got caught up in doing this here. The hangman. They got stuck. And they had no choice but to surrender here. And this is the breakthrough moment. It's like, so whatever this person was trying to do against you and your energy, the tables have turned here. Okay? And it's happening to this person. This person thinks they have the power to control, right, your movement. Okay? This person works in a group with a group. Okay? Yeah, this person, look, somebody's about to travel. 3 of Wands. I'm telling you, these 3 people are about to travel towards you here to try to start this fight with you. And it's over whatever this attainment, this accomplishment that you have, whatever this person feels like, you know, you've done against them here. Okay? They plan to come and take that out on you. All right? So, I don't want to be too long in this energy, because this energy is like, this person's energy is so wicked. It's draining. It's irritating. You know what I mean? It's a very, this person is not, there ain't no God in this person. I'm telling you that right now. This person is soulless. They're empty. Okay? They are empty here. Okay? Because they want to see you lose. Okay? Yeah, maybe this person feels like you're too strong in your ability because they got psychic and they got courage. You know, maybe this person feels like you're too strong in your ability, so I'm going to do something to tone that down. Yo, why can't people have confidence? Like, what's wrong with someone being confident? Okay, especially with what you're trying to do to them to ruin this person for no reason when it's absolutely not their fault what's happening to you. Why is it that you're stuck on knocking this person down to size? I can't stand to see people like this in the energy. These are miserable people. These are miserable people here. Okay? Wow. This has everything to do with a relationship. Somebody's desperate for a man, okay? Somebody is desperate for a man. And from the looks of things, right, somebody wants your divine masculine here. So, you know, you got to lose everything so you won't have this person. Thank you, Spirit. Somebody needs a spiritual cleanse, okay? Somebody needs to go to church and have hands laid on them, seriously, okay? But whoever this person is, they caused some trouble for themselves. They rocked the boat. They really did. They rocked the boat here. Yep. And the storm is coming because they did some magic, right? And it's coming back. It is doubling right back on around to who sent it. Whoever this water sign and this this water sign and their shadow self, their shadow side here. Yeah. This air sign who wants this new life with an earth sign. Okay. For this good fortune and power. No. No. Somebody received a message, okay, about somebody being sneaky. Okay? Some truth is being brought to light, or some truth has been brought to light about a past life situation, a karmic path here. Divination, look, heavy magic, evil, 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 death card. The death card, and that's the only way to relieve the situation. So I don't know what magic or death magic, I just heard that. Okay, so somebody did some form of death magic, okay, against you, collective. Right, thank you, Spirit. But they didn't have enough knowledge to know that whoever you are, you're in healer energy, meaning you are protected. Whoever this person is behind the veil, it's about to be lifted because they're about to connect in nature in a way they don't understand. And that's this way right here. Okay? Yeah, this person is about to pass away. Okay, something they did, the new moon, like the full moon, they were planning something for the full moon. They did something the last full moon, the solar eclipse. Yeah, this person just lives and believes in fucking magic. Like, they won't stop. And it's got everything to do with you. It's like, this person wants to punish you for growth. It's like, yo, I'm getting upset in this reading. I am getting upset in this reading. Okay? Because this don't make no sense. Listen, I can understand if this person really wronged you. You know what I mean? I can understand if this person done something to hurt you. You know what I mean? But I honestly believe in letting God fight my battles. But, you know, some people take matters into their own hands. But listen, this person ain't do nothing to you but grow. This person is loving on themselves and you want to punish them for loving on themselves and being positive. It's like, what is wrong with you? Like, friendship, jealousy. There's a jealous friend. There is a jealous friend, strong, okay, who overstep boundaries. Yeah, this person put death magic on you. Hell yeah, you overstepping the boundary. They focus. They focus to see you lose something. Just keep that in the back of your mind, okay? You are a divine feminine, okay? Something happened in a home. Lucky, lucky, safe travel. Something happened in a home, okay, concerning something about luck, safe travels. Maybe somebody thought they got lucky. Got it. Thank you, Spirit. Somebody thought that with home and luck, somebody thought they hit the jackpot. Okay. Somebody could have traveled. Whatever their beliefs are, the time is up. They could have traveled to do this work. They probably have traveled. Yeah, we got fire sign. You know, transformation. This is the truth. Like, this is all about someone's growth. Yeah, the fact that someone is grounded, the fact that someone is connected to source. There's been a shift, okay? This person has been relieved of the old them. This person has grew. They're somebody new here. So, you know, wow. This person is trying to relieve your growth. This person doesn't relief and gratitude. This person doesn't want you to be in a position to feel like you have a reason to be thankful. But I promise you, whatever death magic was recently done, somebody's about to eat this shit. Yeah, I'm sorry to say it like that, but I'm sorry. Look, this should go back. Whoever sent this deserves this right back. Okay? Because honestly, you sent the shit for absolutely no reason. It's like, oh my God. Yeah. This person needs to go and heal. This person needs to go somewhere and heal. That's what this person needs to do. That's what So since I'm burdened by responsibilities and you're gaining rewards, how dare you have more success than me? What can I do to mess you up? What can I do to mess your shit up? I know one thing. If this person poisoned one more person, they are going straight to jail. Okay? I'm telling you that right now. I don't know why that keeps coming up. Okay? In the back of my mind, it's just, I can see the word poison. Okay? But I see poisons with like a S, meaning this person could have done this multiple times. Yeah, but like I was saying, I'm sorry about that. This person is wicked evil. This person is wicked evil, okay? And they are actually headed in your direction.
Yeah.
What do you think you should do?
Oh.
Oh my God. Why are you playing in my closet? Thank you. Anywho, like I was saying, this boy playing in my closet. Don't be playing in my closet. Interrupting my reading. See? Thank you, Spirit. That's a message. Someone's trying to throw stones and hide their hands. Someone is doing something in the background and trying to stay hidden. And they're peeking to see the results. That's why, oh my God. See how the downloads come through here? That's what the message I got from my son. Like he's peeking out of the closet, like he's hiding. Someone's trying to keep something hidden, something that they're up to. But I'm telling you, with this is a sneak attack. And if this is someone that can get close to you, they'll try to do it without, words being spoken. You understand what I'm saying? They'll make some shit look like an accident. This person is wicked evil. You got some blessings on the way, collective, and they don't want you to have them. They've been causing illusions. They've been teaming up with this person, that person. They've been doing all types of shit, okay, to you. Okay, probably trying to get to towards your children. Yeah, they really have been trying you. Your job, your vehicle, your money. They just been trying every way to affect you because this person just would rather see you broken. Would rather see you with nothing. Would rather see you sad and lonely and unhealed like they are. Okay? And that's the truth, and that's the message, okay? And I hope that helped. Please like, comment, subscribe. Till next time. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay positive. That was short, right? Hey, sometimes the message is short and sweet, straight to the point, okay? So I just come in from time to time to bring you spiritual news, okay? Shit, spiritual news is more important than the regular news. All right, that true, real talk. Like, it's a cold world. It is a cold world. Thank you, Spirit. It's not a cold world. People in this world are cold, right? But that's the message, and I hope it helped. Okay, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, stay blessed, stay safe, stay positive, and later.